Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on your Windows 11 system. First of all, right click on this icon, then select settings. Now on this window, we need to select system tab, then click on, scroll down and search for troubleshoot. Click here, then again scroll down and click on other troubleshooters. Now from playing audio, we need to click on run. It will try to detect the problems and to also try to resolve them. Select as, then we need to uncheck this box, click on apply and then OK. Now close this window. After that, simply go to search bar and type here device manager. Then from the search results, click here to open it. Now on this window, just expand sound, video and game controller, then right click on it and select properties. Go to drivers tab and then click on update driver. Now click on the first and make sure that your internet connection is enabled. After that, close this window and simply move to the next step. Again go to search bar and type your control panel, then click here to open it. Make sure from view by selected large icons, then click on sound. Now on this window, simply we need to disable the audio device. Again enable it, right click on it, select enable. After that, select it and click on properties. Now go to levels tab. First of all, from enhancement, check this box, and from levels we need to make sure that the speakers level is 100. Then we need to go to advanced tab and select this. That will be a default format. Click on apply and then OK. Now again go to search bar and type task manager, then click here to open it. On this window, select run new task, then click on browse button, go to this PC and open C drive, then go to Windows folder. Now open system32 folder, double click on it to open it, then find out cmd file, cmd.exe, select it and click on open. Now this will be our main path. After that, check this box and click on OK. It will open command prompt window. Now we need to execute some commands. Type in sfc /scan now and press enter from your keyboard to execute this command. This command will take some time to complete the procedure, so wait for it, and once done, we need to simply type exit to close the command prompt window. If you're still facing any issue related to this problem, you can send me here screenshot and details of the error message. Then personally I will help you, or I will create a specific video on this error. So simply fill all the information and then click on submit. That's it guys, you're good to go.